How to shorten link for Instagram bio using Bitly. In this video, I'll show you how to shorten link for Instagram bio using Bitly. So to get started, go ahead and open bitly.com into your browser. So in here, you need to go ahead and sign up for an account before you can actually shorten links. So as you can see, you can sign up for an account with your Google account. You can also manually enter your details to create an account on Bitly. So in here, you just need to authorize Bitly to sign in or create an account using the Google account that you just selected. And then once your account is created, you'll get redirected into the section. So in here, you need to go ahead and enter a few things in here to let Bitly know you more. And then from here, go ahead and head over into the links tab and then click on create a link at the top right. Enter the destination URL into the section and then go ahead and customize this further and then click on this create your link button once you're done to be able to allow Bitly to create a shortened version of the link that you just entered. So as you can see on the links tab, you'll be able to find it. So you can find it here. So once you click on that Bitly link, you can go ahead and get redirected into that page with a longer link. And that is how you can basically shorten the link for Instagram bio using Bitly.